Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about insertion sort. It works similar to the way you sort playing cards in your hands. Array is split into two parts, that is slotted and unslotted array. Here we just compare the values between sorted and unsorted array and we just move from left to right. For example, here I am going to declare an array of size 4 with a values of 7, 4, 6 and 5. Let us look into. I am dividing the array into sorted and unsorted. The first element in the array will be sorted and remaining all elements are unsorted. Here just I am comparing the first element in unsorted array with sorted array. I am just comparing. Here 7 is greater than 4. Then what I need to do? Just swap those elements. I am just swapping this and I am declaring it as sorted array, and this will become unsorted. Next, what I am taking first element of the unsorted element and checking with the sorted array. Here 7 is greater than 6, so I need to swap this element, so I swapped with this. In sorted array I am again checking this value with this previously sorted value, that is 4. Here 4 is less than 6, then there is no need to sort this. Next, all these elements are become to the sorted array. I am just checking 5 with 7. Here 7 is greater than 5, just I am moving this value, that is swapping. Again next I am checked swapped 5 with 6. Here 6 is greater than 5 and again I am swapping those items. I am checking whether 5 is greater than or 4. It is wrong, so there is no need to swap. Like that swapping will be in the ascending order will happen. Let us look into the code. Here I am declaring a function for the insertion sort with an array size. I am creating a loop for I equal to 1. This is for the sorted array, and I am repeating this loop up to n minus 1 time, and I am assigning the value, that is unsorted as array, that is I value here it is become to 1, that is unsorted array. Here it is I am assigning the I value to the j. I am repeating this loop until j value will less than 0, and I am taking the two values, that is a of j and j minus 1 values. And here what I am doing is checking the values, that is previous value and this value. If this value is greater than, then I am doing swapping, else no need to swap these items. I am repeating these steps until sorting the array will happen. That's it. Here the time complexity of this code is 0 of n power 2 times. Let us look into another example. 9261. Here 9 is the first element, so I am taking it as sorted array. 261 or unsorted array. I am taking the first element of the unsorted array. I am checking with sorted array. Here there is a need for swapping, so that I swapped. Here 2 and 9 become the sorted and 6 and 1 are become unsorted. I am checking with sorted with unsorted. Here I need to exchange. Here all in the sorted order format only. What I am doing? I am checking one with unsorted array list. Here there is a need for swapping. I am just swap, and I am again comparing it to previous value, and I am assigning it in a correct ascending order. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment below and subscribe to this channel.